So in this video we'll see the example of header exchange. So let's get started. So first of all we'll import the libraries, and then we'll declare some of the variables like connection variable URL, and then we'll create a variable for the exchange name, my header exchange, and then we create a queue called my header queue. Okay, so now we will create two message properties. So one is for xmatch all, another is for xmatch any. So the first headers, all the messages, all the attributes like color red and size small should be matched while you are using the message property 1 and header 1. And then for the next headers, you must at least have one of the attributes should be matched to receive the messages. So first of all, let's create the send message method. So again, we have initially connection in the channel, then we create the header exchange using just passing the header as a value, the second argument, and then we publish the message. So message we are getting from the parameter that will pass while calling the send message method, and then we have a property, so message properties, and then we pass the message property here, and we are converting the message from string to byte array, and then we pass the exchange. Then after sending the message, we just print the message sent related to the action and messages, and then we simply close the channel and connection. Next we will create the receive message method. Again, initially we create a connection and the channel. Connection we get from the URL and channel we get from the connection. Again, as the channel is a virtual connection, RabbitMQ directly talk with the virtual connection, so we need a channel. Then we declare uh, the queue that we pass from as a part of message parameter, and then we bind the queues. So this is more important at the time of the binding. So you pass the queue name, exchange, and then the headers. We do not have routing key. They depend, because this is a header exchange. It will check only the headers. If the headers matches, then only it will receive the message. And then we have channel.consume. We get the parameter as a queue name and the message, and then we just print it message that we have received. And then after receiving the message, we acknowledge back so that the RabbitMQ can remove from the ready message. And then we will wait for the message on the queue, that the message that will put into the lock. Now we will use send message. We pass the exchange. We have one exchange, and then we property 1 that we send, and then we have a property 2 we send into the message, and as per this property, there's a headers, we bind the queues. So two queue will be bind while sending them. Sorry, this is a receive message. I'm talking about the sending the message. So when we send the message, the exchange name, the message, and the property message property that we pass, and then we at the time of the publish, this property will be set at the time of the publish. And sorry, in the receive message, we pass our headers where x match all the properties that we have, color red and size small, and then we have x match any, so any of the property should be matched. So that if we have color red size small, color blue size large, and we have a color red size small, color blue size large. So let's try to run it and see. So we have sent the message first one, and we are waiting for the message queue header on the queue with the headers. So second time we have tried, and we have received the message on the queue, my header queue, the message one with the header this one, and the message two with the header this one. So the first one has checked all the attributes because it has to match all the attributes, and the second one, it has only one of the attributes. If it is matched, the message will be received. Okay, so this is a very simple example. Just try it out. I will share this example on a resource section, and if you have any doubt or if you could not understand it, just send me the message. I'll try to explain in another way as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.